Hey everybody!
Welcome to Catamaran Cocktails. Woo!
Brian, what are we making tonight?
So I wanted to make a drink that reminded me of fall in New York.
Yeah, but we don't want to drink anything hot because it's hot. Also, we are in lockdown. Like, for real, cannot leave our boat locked down. The Delta COVID variant has made it to Grenada, and it's taking off like wildfire, so they've literally shut down the island. It's like a no movement, shelter in place, and apparently it's fall somewhere in the world, but not here. Okay, back to Brian's drink.
So let's do it.
Are you ready to go?
Yeah.
Okay.
For this drink, you're going to need brandy, di Serrano, a little bit of limoncello, sour apple pucker, and some fresh cinnamon. So first, you're going to grab your mixing glass, and we're going to start with some large ice cubes. We're going to be using big ice cubes so the drink doesn't get too watered down when we stir this up. You're going to grab your brandy. We're going to be using 1.5 ounces. Next, we'll use di Serrano. Now you're going to use 1/2 ounce of di Serrano. Next, you're going to use 1/3 ounce of limoncello. You're going to use just under 1/3 ounce of sour apple schnapps. Before we give this a stir, we're going to add in just a pinch of ground up cinnamon. Not too much, just a little bit for flavor. So Lauren, what are some of your favorite things to do in fall?
There's an energy that happens when the leaves start to turn, and it's like this crispness that you can feel in the air, and it's like very exciting and invigorating. Anyway, what about you?
The change of the leaves, while it's very pretty, it also has a very distinct smell, and I love the smell of fall with the dying leaves and all the earth and things of that nature.
Yeah.
The corn husk type smells. Those are some of my favorite smells.
Yeah. There's also a lot of festivals around fall time.
Festivus.
So many festivals.
Festivus. Finally, we're going to garnish with a stick of cinnamon. And there you go. There's your candied spiced apple cocktail.
This is beautiful.
All right. Cheers.
Cheers.
Happy hot fall.
Happy hot fall. You nailed it. Are you happy? Do you feel like New York? You feeling New Yorkie?
I guess.
Here's a request for you guys. I would like to know how you celebrate fall.
Leave a comment down below about all the fall things that you guys are doing. And right next to it, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.
Nice. Okay. And then also, if you're in and around New York City, because I'm understanding that they're pretty open right now.
Yeah.
So if you're going to any types of festivals or something like that, tag us so we can live vicariously through you.
We used to live right next to Bryant Park. So if anyone is taking a stroll through Bryant Park, please tag us. I would love to see how it looks. Cool. All right.
All right. Thanks for sticking with us.
All right.
We really love you guys. Cheers to you. And we'll catch you next week.
Ready?
It's so cool. I just can't say I have a request. Okay.
It's like...
I have a request for you guys.
Ready? Ready? Super slow motion.
So, I have a request. Why? It's so hard. Alright. Positions, everybody. Positions.
Spiced candied apple. Oh, I wanted the other way. There's your candied apple. Oh.
Oh my goodness. Apple picking, and live music.